Why should you learn Chinese? There are many reasons you should learn Chinese, but I'm only going to give you 3 reasons. Reason number 1. Chinese is the most spoken language in the world. More than 1 billion people speak Chinese. Understanding Chinese, you understand 1/5 of the world. Reason number 2. Learning Chinese makes you a much smarter person. Some scientific research have shown that Chinese has a markedly different effect on your brain. It improves your motor skills, math ability, memory, and a lot more. Reason number 3. Learning Chinese is fun and easy. Chinese characters originated from pictures. Chinese is the only pictogram language in the world. Well, you see the picture here, a picture. I, as a Chinese speaker, see it made up of 4 characters. And Chinese characters embed in themselves the values and thoughts of the Chinese people. Take for example the word tea. It has a grass on the top, a tree underneath, and a person in between. That suggests Chinese people's wish to live in harmony with nature. What? You said writing Chinese characters is difficult? Look at the sea lion. By the way, his name is 有才, meaning talented. If he can write Chinese characters, so can you. Plus, there is almost no language that's easier to speak than Chinese. Try this. In English, we have to say, yesterday I ate, today I eat, tomorrow I will eat. In Chinese, it all says the same. 我吃, 2 words. It's that easy. Given the tonal language, Chinese sounds musical. 鹅，曲项向天歌，白毛浮绿水，红掌拨清波。How beautiful! Learning Chinese makes you a smarter person, a more artistic person, and a better person overall. Sign up today.